Hey, from the Kettlebell Club,
Happy 4th of July!
So this is the American Fitness Revolution workout. It's a 22-minute workout of cleans, snatches, and halos. 60 on, 30 off. This is part 1. Part 2 is to follow. Pop in the hips. Squeeze those glutes. Swing it back underneath the hips. Start dead stop. The dead stop will give you skill work, technique. You'll fine-tune your movements. Stay down. Halo to finish. It's where mobility meets metabolism, and they have a happy marriage. Great job, guys. This is our Firecracker 1K workout. I'll show that in a minute. This is a Team 1776 for the year challenge. So this is the Patriots and the Stars and Stripes. Maybe. Are you guys Stars and Stripes or Patriots? These are the Patriots. These are the Stars and Stripes. And they're trying to get 1,776 reps for this. So we did a kettlebell mobility workout. Firecracker 1K. It was to burn 1,000 calories. So you had a kettlebell mobility section. This was a 20-minute kind of clean snatch interval workout I called American Fitness Revolution. We took a break, and now we're doing this team set. So it's the Boston Tea Party burpees, Spirit squats, Captain America carries. So that's the Captain carries. Lift it up for America, Holly. So she's got to carry that down and back. That is a lap. These are the Spirit squats here. And then you can do jump rope, revolutionary rows. That's for calories. Boston Tea Party burpees. And both teams are going. So a fun way of kind of, and you know, this is a damage control workout. These people, no telling what they're going to eat and drink today, but I want to show you a little glimpse of this. And we got a USA finisher that's coming up after this with American swings and blast off push-ups. So anyway, should be some good stuff. Oh, by the way, the American 4th of July Firecracker 1K playlist. Try to find as many American-based songs as I can. Yeah, you know, good stuff. Hope you guys are having a great 4th of July. Just want to let you have a little look in all this action here. Patriot presses, I forgot to mention that. Hold or blast off push-up. Good job. Push those feet. Ooh.